Hello everyone, welcome back to KK House channel, where you can learn to make a money bouquet for yourself. In this video, we will learn from A to Z on how to make a 50 bills money bouquet. This is a big side bouquet that requires more labor and techniques. It is also considered at a professional level. So please watch the whole tutorial to see how it's different from the smaller side. Let's get started with the material list. I will be using 45 bills of $2, brand new bills for the best look. My favorite 6 inches bamboo skewer, super hole scotch tape with a very good tape dispenser. Next is a foam block in a standard size, a to-go chopsticks or bamboo sticks. For the center of the bouquet, I will use preserved roses in baby blue. These are plastic rose stems. We will also need a large hot glue gun, some cotton string, paper cutting board, and some scissors. Okay, we're gonna start with the folding step. We will use the classic folding technique for this bouquet. I have done so many videos on this classic folding, but it seemed never enough. Let's do it again together. Taping is important, so make sure that you secure the skewer on the bill really well. So we pull the left corner and the right corner into the middle line. Quickly use your left hand to hold the bottom of the petal, then use your right hand to adjust the petal. A good petal is an even, round, and steady. Good folding helps a lot with arranging, so please do a lot of practice. And here's my 45 folded bills. I will start preparing the roses now. I received so many comments asking about these preserved roses. You can definitely use artificial or handmade roses. However, for luxury looking or higher selling price, then you should consider preserved roses. This is how I make my holder. It is super simple with a foam block and to-go chopsticks. And yes, this small foam block can fit up to 50 bills. If you want to work with a bigger holder, I do have another tutorial showing how to hand make a bigger size of holder under my live videos. Alright, we are ready for the arranging step. I'm going to start with the center with 7 roses first. The light blue is really beautiful, isn't it? I am very happy with this rose shipment, which is not always. Oops, sorry that I don't have footage for the first layer, but it should be 10 bills for the first layer. If you stay watching up to this point, you deserve the first professional tip. Each layer of a money bouquet should be different in 5 bills. So the first layer is 10, the second layer should be 15, and the third layer is 20, and so on. Arranging is always my favorite step in making a money bouquet. I usually spend less than 10 minutes on a 50 bills bouquet. Before moving to the wrapping step, we need to prepare paper first. For this bouquet, I will use the designer paper in royal blue and then the matte finish black wraps. For bigger bouquet like 50 bills, 60 or up to 100 bills, I use the whole sheet. Fold it into 3 parts with a wavy pattern. Working with paper is really fun, so please feel free to create your own look. I will be using a total of 6 sheets for the top and then 3 more for the bottom. Okay, things will get harder at the wrapping step. I will make it sound easier by saying all you have to do is tying each of the paper sheet onto the holder by using the cotton string. How does that sound? Yes, you can use tape as well. However, let me tell you the benefit of using string. First, if you make any mistake, you can just cut the string and restart. Second, using string helps save a lot of money on tape. And lastly, with this technique, you can save a lot of papers and labor as well. I call the sheer blue paper is the skirt of the bouquet. When you're done tying everything, make sure that you release all the paper to have the best natural look. Here's the final bouquet. To help the bouquet look more attractive, I add 2 butterflies and a happy graduation sign. A money bouquet that meets my requirements have to be in a round perfect shape, even wrapping, and very steady. And this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next tutorials. This is Kelly. See you all next time.